I'm using the Food and Agricultural Organization as an example here. Although every organization's website is different, you will also see many similarities. Of course, you can find a lot of information just by browsing around on the site, but I suggest looking for two key categories: publications and statistics. In the case of FAO, these are accessed from links across the top of the page. For other organizations, look for similar categories, even if they have different words such as documents or data. I'm going to start by clicking on Statistics. This page just describes their statistics program, so I'll next click on the FAO Stat link, which gets you to the database of FAO Statistics. There are many ways to find statistics here, and you can do a sophisticated analysis if you're interested. However, I usually just start with the simple Browse Data section. I'm interested in trade statistics, so I will start with that category. Check out the other categories as well. Some very general trade statistics show up. I'm going to click on crops and livestock products in the left navigation column. Wheat is the crop that displays as the default item. I'll just click on the down arrow next to the word and change that to bananas. Argentina is the default country that shows. I can change that to a different country or to an area such as South America. I just click on the down arrow next and make my selection. Also, at the bottom of the page, you will see some graphs showing the top 5 exporters and importers for bananas. You could capture that image or export the data into an Excel format by clicking the arrow button that is to the right of the data. To use the data, tables, graphs, etc. that I captured, I should add the label Source FAO Stat Database to the image. Then I need to cite the FAO Stat database and the date I used it. Use the FAO as the author, the title FAO Stat Database, and the information on when and where the database was accessed. Now let's look for FAO Publications. Back at the FAO homepage, click on the Publications link. Although it looks like the simplest thing to do here is to use the search box in the middle of the page, I have found that search option misses a lot of great information. I suggest you scroll down a bit and click the gray box that says FAO Document Repository. Now I click on the More Search Options feature so I can narrow my search to items that are really about bananas. Items with the word bananas in the title are much more likely to be relevant. Since the system searches only for the exact word I typed in, I'm also going to search the singular of my word. The second entry looks interesting here, so I will select it to get more information. I usually look for a PDF link because that is an easy way to save and view the document, but not everything will have a PDF version. Some are just in HTML. Remember, the important elements for citing publications include the author or the government agency if no other author is found, the date of publication, the title of the document in italics, the place of publication, the publisher, usually the government agency, and the URL where you retrieve the information. Try searching the FAO.org for statistics and documents on your product, or try one of the other organizations listed on the page.